Welcome to the San Ysidro Health Center's Adult Day Health Center, where your family member can enjoy a loving, active, and healthy day with friends and trained staff. If your loved one has recently suffered a stroke or suffers from mild Alzheimer's disease, dementia, and is a low-income senior, there is help at the San Ysidro Health Center's Adult Day Health Center. Already, dozens of families are taking advantage of this wonderful program. Lupe Valdivia's family helps her with medication, meals, and caring for her while she's at home. But after suffering 4 strokes, Lupe felt frustrated and a sense of hopelessness. The recovery was strenuous and the family needed help.
Very depressed. It was a point that she'd lock away, it's like, and I would go in her room and say, come on, let's have this, I would try to get her out of it.
Since the strokes, Lupe's family unexpectedly became her caregiver. When Lupe saw the burden her family was bearing, she decided to go to the San Ysidro Health Center's Adult Day Health Center. That's when everything got better. A free shuttle service picks up Lupe from home to the center and back.
That's why I decided to come over here, because I'm so happy here, so happy. Because they help me a lot.
The Adult Day Health Center has been designed to serve the frail elderly, many of them that have to stay at home because they don't have any support outside the home. So we have all the services here.
The Adult Day Health Center is a beautiful, new 20,000 square foot building where participants can spend up to 6 hours daily. The center has various stations, including a nurse's room to check participants' vitals, a state-of-the-art kitchen, activity room, and an outside garden. The center is geared to help participants with chronic illnesses who need assistance.
I describe it as a medical social model. The medical piece being that we have a physical therapist, occupational therapist, a dietitian, a speech therapist, a social worker who provide wraparound medical services to participants here.
Fun activities are also available like arts and crafts, socialization, exercising to music, and much more. There's also an early morning snack and a healthy lunch. Throughout the day, many of the participants need physical and occupational therapy.
Of the patients or the participants here, because they make friends with other participants, and through that friendship and the social interaction, they really become to thrive. They regain their appetite. They interact and they laugh and they play cards, they play bingo. They really start to thrive in terms of their physical and their mental capabilities.
Participants are typically referred to the center by their doctors because of various chronic illnesses, including moderate cases of Alzheimer's, strokes, dementia, diabetes, and other medical reasons.
So I came here in a wheelchair, and then thanks to the therapist here, I'm able to move now and walk with my walker and working on my balance now that I can. My goal is to get rid of my walker and my cane and everything and be able to, walk.
Participants like Manny and Lupe are thankful to the center staff for helping them improve their health.
Now I can walk, I can use more my hand, and I don't know, I feel so happy. I don't know how to say it, because here they're wonderful.
Got the therapy room back there. I look forward every time I come to going back there. I get on the machine and work the muscles in my leg, and then after that we got a workout class where everybody, you can sit down and do stretches and different things like that. So it's all good.
You like that?
I like that.
If you would like to register your family member at the Adult Day Health Center, here are the first simple steps to follow. Patients must get a doctor's referral, recommending that the participant need extra support due to a chronic illness.
It is huge. Many work, they have a full-time job, they have other family commitments, and they need that extra help for the family they care for. And by coming here, they have that respite.
Complete the Adult Day Health Center's application. A social worker will schedule a home visit to gather information and make sure the participant is in a safe environment. Finally, the center's assessment team will review the participants' needs and make recommendation to the center's services and resources.
Oh yeah, I recommend them because it's something that, you know, if they're in the shape that I'm in, or either they, you know, they confined to being in the house all the time, this would be a good place for them to come.
Once in the program, the participants' mental and physical transformation is clearly visible almost immediately.
I'm saying thank you. You brought back my sister, the sister that was drying away, you know, and I always see the difference in her, you know. I'm sorry, because it's a lot of emotion things that I went through with it, and she's worked, you know, I think they've worked so hard with her.
If you are a caregiver who needs help caring for a family member, Monday through Friday, the San Ysidro Health Center's Adult Day Health Center can help. The state-funded program is free for low-income, frail, and disabled seniors who qualify. Free transportation is available.
The best advice I have is come and visit and meet our staff and find out how really compassionate they are. And I'm convinced that once they know about our staff and how caring they are, that they'll have a lot of confidence and trust coming here.
For more information about how your family member can participate in the San Ysidro Health Center's Adult Day Health Center, call 619-205-1373.